Hello students, how's it going? I hope you are feeling good. Kali ini kita akan membahas tentang talking about self. Namun, ada baiknya kita memperkenalkan setiap anggota terlebih dahulu. Hi, I'm Marcelina Iranami Pasaribu.
Hi everyone, I'm Rinti Prawesti.
Hi students, my name is Tracy Damayanti.
Hello students, my name is Vinka Asmi Fitriani.
Hi, my name is Winda Prastika.
Sebelum kita masuk ke dalam materi pembelajaran, kita harus mengetahui terlebih dahulu kompetensi dasar dan indikator pembelajaran.
Kompetensi dasar dan indikator pencapaian kompetensi. 3.1 Menganalisis fungsi, struktur sosial, dan unsur kebahasaan pada teks pemaparan jati diri sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. 4.1 Menangkap makna pemaparan jati diri secara lisan dan tulisan. 4.2 Menyusun teks lisan dan tulisan untuk memaparkan, menanyakan, dan merespon pemaparan jati diri dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai dengan konteksnya. Indikator pencapaian kompetensi. 1. Siswa diharapkan mampu menggunakan bahasa Inggris dalam berkomunikasi tentang pemaparan jati diri dengan guru dan teman. 2. Mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, unsur kebahasaan dari teks pemaparan jati diri. 3. Merespon makna teks pemaparan jati diri lisan dan tulisan. 4. Menyusun teks lisan dan tulisan sederhana tentang pemaparan jati diri.
Nah, setelah kita mengetahui kompetensi dasar dan indikator pembelajaran, langsung saja kita masuk ke dalam materinya. Talking about self. Apa yang kalian ketahui tentang talking about self? Talking about self is a matter of studying how to introduce ourselves in conversation or text. Dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti menceritakan diri sendiri kepada orang lain dalam bentuk teks ataupun percakapan. Sekarang, mari kita lanjut ke pembahasan selanjutnya. Tahukah kalian apa tujuan dari talking about self? Tujuannya adalah agar siswa dapat memperkenalkan diri dan menyebutkan identitas mereka untuk mengembangkan kemampuan berkomunikasi dengan orang lain. Phrases talking about self atau frasa. My name is Sarah. I'm a student. I'm 20 years old. I live in Palembang. I have one brother and one sister. I like reading a book. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Anton. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Becca. Greeting atau salam. In introducing ourselves, we can also use the greeting sentence. For example, good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening. How do you do? Hello. Language features atau unsur kebahasaan. Pronouns. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, not used, ours, yours, theirs. Tenses. If you want to convey hobby, then use simple present tense. If you convey past events, then use simple past tense. Order structure atau struktur urutan. The order structure starts from opening, content, and closing. For example, opening is a prefix section like hello, good morning, or other greetings. Content is a core that really tells yourself like name, age, origin, address, hobby, and others. Closing is the cover as that is all about myself.
Oke students, selanjutnya example talking about self and order structure. Opening. Hello. Content. Let me tell you about myself. My name is Jessica. I am 17 years old. I am from Surabaya. I come to Malang because my father works here. I am a student of SMA 3 Malang. My favorite subjects are science, mathematics, and English. I always have time for studying that subject. I can read at least 4 science books a week. It is because I want to join NASA in the future. It has always been my dream since I was a 4. I also love to socialize with people and experience new things. Therefore, I joined 2 school extracurricular and organizations such as English Club and Students' Council. From these 2 activities, I can meet a lot of inspiring people, locals and foreigners. If I have free time, I will spend it by reading any books and playing guitar with my sister. My favorite book is The Universe in a Nutshell by Stephen Hawking. And my favorite song to sing with my sister is Count on Me by Bruno Mars. Closing. I think that is all about myself that you should know. Have a nice day.
Example of conversation talking about self. Good morning. My name is Yuni.
Hi, my name is Rara.
Are you the student here?
Yes, I'm the pupil here.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, make your own conversation with your friend and practice it together.
So that's all for us. Thank you for your kind attention. Hope you have a great day. Bye.
Created using Powtoon.